All right, guys, I got something special for you today. We're going to be putting the Florida Highway Patrol State Trooper stickers on this beautiful 86 Florida Highway Patrol car. Belongs to a buddy of mine. It's going to be at Foxtoberfest, but I don't know if this video will be out before then or not. So odds are you've already seen it. But we've been looking at pictures on the internet all morning, trying to figure out exactly where these go, and it looks like even then there were some variances in them from year to year, even from 86 to 86. It could be, depends on the day they were done. So I'll give you the measurements that we have, and so if you need to put stickers on your Highway Patrol car, hopefully this helps. We're not saying this is the Bible, but this is what it looks like to us from looking at pictures from back in the day. All right, so what we found is the fender body line here hits almost, not quite in the center of the S, like right where this S starts to go up, and right where the R, where the point is there. And then 5 inches back from the fender. If you're putting decals on a freshly painted car, make sure to put your finger on the end of your tape measure. Do not put this on the car. All right, and on this body line, it's really like, kind of like a feel thing. So we've got the body line here and here, if you can see that. I'll try to zoom in so you guys can see this, but that's where it needs to be. So we're just going to hinge this one and stick it down. So you put a piece of tape there like a hinge. Take this side, rip it right at the edge. That way you have a reference where to put it back. Fold this back, and this fold will help hold the vinyl off the paint until you're ready to stick it. So get that there. Find your squeegee. Aha. There we go. All right, let's move to the door. And these are actually different. Like we got them from Juan. He's out of Florida. We can put the link. I'll put the link in the description of this. but like the driver's door trunk and the passenger door and driver's door are different. The flag is flipped. So pay attention to that when you put them on. Which he has them labeled for us, so there's no problem. On the door, I think it depended on what day they were put on. So by what we're seeing, we've seen some centered, we've seen some centered in the window, and we've seen some centered in the door. So, and on these, the floor, like the stars are pretty much straight on here, with the puts the Y down at the bottom. Stars, and this goes on your body line where it starts to come out. This kind of goes down, and this is like right at the top edge of your body line. And I'm going to measure the other side to see where we put it. We did the other side first, so we figured out the measurements. From the back of the door, it's 16 inches to the start of the circle. So I need to come backwards a little bit. And I measure from this top of the body line to this letter, to this letter, is what I did on the other side. Went the wrong way. The measurement I have here, from here to this corner and here to this corner is 6.5. So on this side, with the way this door concaves and then has the folds, it's almost easier to just rip both pieces of tape. Like that, and then we'll use those as our reference. This guy, he uses 3M vinyl too, so this is the best stuff you can get, just about. Or it's top of the line, let's just say that. I don't know if it's the best, but it's what I like. It doesn't require any water. And if you make a little bit, you can pull it back up. door's done. Let's move to the back. So the trunk, what we've done, we've pulled it, centered it, so it's 21 3/8 from each side. If the graphics are outside, and from the top, we are 2 3/4 down. But on this one, the Florida and the Highway Patrol is kind of twisted. It doesn't look straight, but we think the reason is for the flag to make it look right. But that's the measurements we have for it. And this one's pretty simple, nice and flat. We're just going to hinge this one again and there we go. It's all finished up. Let's take a quick look at it up close. All right, so here we go. You see kind of what it looks like, what it's supposed to look like. Final product. All right, I hope this helps somebody. Like I said, these measurements aren't, we just pulled them by looking at pictures. And so don't take them as the Bible, and don't roast me in the comments, please, for if the measurements are not what you think they should be. But thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm out of here.